Today we're showing you a 2000 John Deere 4500 tractor. It's a four-wheel drive tractor. The tractor has just over 3,600 hours. Traded this tractor in from the second owner. The tractor has spent the bulk of its life on a golf course, or I'm sorry, a driving range, a golf driving range, where it primarily was used to pick up balls and to mow. So that's the bulk of the tractor's life, and then just a private homeowner had the tractor for about 15 or 20 hours of its life. So it's a very clean tractor. It's a nice tractor, runs and works the way it's supposed to, no known issues with it. It is one of our budget friendly tractors, so it does still as is, where is. If you'd like to come in, check the tractor out for yourself, certainly feel free to do so, but again, no known issues with the machine. Cosmetics are in really nice shape. It does have the R4 tires, which are in pretty good shape yet. Foldable rollover bar. It's got the rear work light. Through Point Hitch with the 540 PTO. It does have the power reversal transmission. You've got 3 ranges in the transmission, which are located in this lever right here, and then 4 gears here. Gives you a total of 12 speeds, and then your power reverser is right here for forward and reverse. You can shift that direction to make those direction changes without clutching. Also does have a loader control. If you want to add a loader, you can do so in the future. And again, this is one of our budget friendly tractors, so it does still as is, where is. No known issues with the machine. Again, however, if you'd like to come in and check the tractor out for yourself, certainly feel free to do so. We do take trades. We also offer financing for qualified customers. We also can arrange delivery here within the U.S. If you have questions regarding this unit, please contact us at maskedtractor.com.